Come here. Come here. That works. Thank you, Benny. Haha. I did it. I got Benny away. Hey everyone, this is the third episode of my vlog and I already failed. Sorry, gotta be honest. I promised that I was going to be posting a weekly vlog telling you about my progress with my YouTube channel and networking and building myself. Totally failed because this is my third video in 2 months, and that is obviously, for those math teachers out there, not every week. Well, here's what's been happening. I have been doing a lot of stuff that has taken time, and since the vlog and the YouTube channel are more of a hobby than a job, obviously work comes first, right? For now. No, for real. So the next thing I want to look at is what I learned this week. So this week I did a lot of stuff on LinkedIn. As I said, I want to grow my networking. I've signed up for Hootsuite and I started finding educational articles, interesting tidbits, all of those type of things, and scheduling so that once a week minimum, I am posting to LinkedIn something related to my career path, something related to my industry, and something that actually interests me. I'm not going to post random stuff. I want it to be impactful and meaningful. So while I was on LinkedIn, I saw someone else post. It led to 3 days of not having any time to do anything else. So the post that I saw was from a Microsoft employee from Australia. They were posting about the Education Technology Conference that, because of COVID, went virtual. Can you imagine that? In 2020, a conference went virtual? I know, right? So because the conference went virtual, you didn't have to live in Australia to attend. On top of that, registration was free. So it was really cool to go see some sessions from another country's education conference and see how they do things differently. On top of that, the reason that the Microsoft employee was posting about it is because they were offering free certification exams to anyone that attended the conference and went to the Microsoft booth in the virtual expo hall. For those of you not knowing about the Microsoft certification exams, they normally cost $99 each. These are industry certifications, so if you're a classroom teacher, they're not really going to be necessary. However, it's good to recommend your students to take them if they plan on going into any kind of business world, because when you write on your resume, proficient in Microsoft, what does that mean? It means you think you know how to use Microsoft. If you have the certifications and you put on your resume, Microsoft Office Specialist, opens doors. So I wanted to take the tests for a while, but it really isn't going to help my career, so I didn't want to spend $99. Scratch that. Would have been $300 because to become a Microsoft Specialist Associate, you have to pass 3 exams. $99 each, 3 exams. I wasn't going to spend the money. But when I saw that the education conference was offering them for free, I jumped. So for 3 nights at 11 a.m. Australian time zones, 7 p.m. here, I took the Microsoft Office Specialist exams. I took the Word exam, the PowerPoint exam, and the Excel exam. Really did not expect to pass Excel, but somehow I did. So now by passing all 3 of those exams, I have the Office Specialist Associate. And that basically says I am proficient in Microsoft Office. I think we kind of knew that because I live and breathe on a computer all day, every day. That's all I do is use computers. But now I have the certification that says I actually do know what I'm talking about. Imagine that. So that is what I've been busy with this week. Prior to this week, I had a bunch of other stuff. I had conference sessions, planning sessions, webinar sessions, hanging out with my friends sessions. By the way, if you haven't played Among Us yet, it is addictive and it is so much fun to play with your friends while you're sitting on Zoom. So, in a nutshell, that's what I've been up to. I kind of started this channel during shutdowns and during locks. Alright, I actually started this channel a few years ago, but I was starting to get serious with this channel during all of these lockdowns and stuff. So now that it's kind of going back to normal and I've been going to the office and I've been going out to trainings and I've been going all these different places, not as much time in my day to make videos for YouTube. So here's the goal moving forward. We're going to change my YouTube plan a little bit. We're going to do, instead of once a week, 1 vlog a month and 2 tutorials a month. So 3 videos per month spread out across the month. Hopefully that's going to help a little bit. For LinkedIn, I have a calendar of all those articles I found. So I'm going to do the same thing for my YouTube channel. I am going to create a calendar and I'm going to kind of plan out, all right, this week I want this video and this video. So that way if it takes 2 or 3 days to film it, it's okay. Other than that, I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing with LinkedIn, with Twitter, with trying to grow my network. So YouTube is the only thing I'm really changing right now. I went in way too hard. I set my goals too high and I failed. It's okay, because what we teach our students is adjust, adapt. This is what I'm adapting to. I am not going to be able to keep up the pace of every week doing a video plus tutorials plus everything else. So we're going to back it off and start again. So let me know what you want to see moving forward with this YouTube channel. I want this to really benefit my viewers. So do you want to see more product reviews like the Snagit? Do you want to see more Google tutorials, more Microsoft tutorials? Do you want to see some pedagogy? Whatever you guys want is what I want to provide, because I want this to help teachers be successful in the classroom. Leave a comment below. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Say goodbye, Benny. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech tips. Like this one.